I have his contact number for both of them. Try to get in contact with the family members.
How do you get to the house?
You gotta jump.
There's not another door?
You might be able to go around this little trail right here, because it's kind of high up here.
Well, it's like the height of me.
Unless you got the skills to...
Like that ball's as tall as me.
Yeah, right here. He's guarding her.
The dog?
Yeah, AC went up to him. He seems pretty friendly, but... And then there's
Hey,
another
Baba.
10-7 dog around the corner in the kennel.
Yeah, that's really weird. When's the last time you heard from her?
2.5 weeks ago.
Is he gonna do anything?
AC went in there.
You want me to go in first?
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
I guess Kano's gonna come down as well.
Okay. Huh. Let's try to open a couple windows if we can, just in case. Hey, Baba.
I'm going to get the other 10-7 right there.
Another dog?
Yeah, he's running around.
Where's he?
He's actually, I don't know how to get there through here. If we walk back outside, there's another door.
So he's in a totally separate spot.
Yeah.
Way separate. Like,
Yeah.
he's on that side of the
He's,
house.
like, upstairs.
Upstairs. I thought it was kind of weird about how he was getting too.
Hey, buddy.
Like, it looks like he was trying to go outside and just dropped.
Well, it looks the same with her.
Yeah.
Given her,
Where she's laying and everything.
yeah, how she's...
It would make sense of why that door was open.
Got some lights. Just gonna crack some.
This is where we just were. There's some other switches up here.
Oh, try 'em. So you have a fan on. These aren't working. Oh. Here for this. Oh, it's hot. Were these doors all open or were it
Which doors?
all?
I guess they're all unlocked most of the time. I think this is the door he was talking about.
Were they open when you got here though?
That one that we first went through was open.
Relatively clean. Something smells a little funky in here. I just want to make sure it's not like a gas leak.
Strange.
One dead dog. Yeah, I get the dog. Who were you on the phone with? Was it Alberto? Oh, for me?
Yeah.
I just want to make sure there's not a gas leak in here, so let's just crack a couple. Did fire bring out a,
Right whenever I got here, they all dipped out.
did they bring one of their little monitors or whatever for gas or anything?
I don't know if they did. Well, do you know if they did?
I don't think they did.
No?
I'll call dispatch to see if we can bring one over here.
Well, it's...
He's not just these windows open.
yeah, I tried to do. Oh, I didn't turn them on. No, so I just checked. That's what, unless we have another one. But this, it's something, and it's not that.
It's this.
But something, there's still like a kind of a little bit of a weird.
No, I agree. There's something kind of stinky.
It's really like abnormally hot in here for the temperature outside too. They might have not been down. How many days has it been?
Since last contact?
Yeah,
2.5 weeks.
2.5 weeks.
And they don't really see them. No one really sees them other than phone texts.
These
And
are
I guess,
very private people, like very secluded.
so I guess the last contact with her was about 2.5 weeks ago.
I think at this heat, there would probably be a little bit more. Yeah, this one's about 70. It's way hotter in here than that though. Okay, so did you find anything by them?
No.
Do you think? And that's his girlfriend?
His girlfriend, wife, I think. Sounds like she has the same last name.
Huh. This is that dog, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's the female. Female's probably the one in the kennel. 11 years? Looks like it could be.
Yeah. Is it brown?
Yeah, what was it talking about?
German Shepherd mix, yeah.
The German Shepherd mix, I think is the one that's running around the side.
Sure.
That's the kind of aggressive one. Kind of like cheap.
Not the male, right? Not the big one that we
Not
just
the
saw?
no. Yeah, the other one
I
is
didn't see the other one. This one says a German Shepherd mix, 53 pounds. Please keep collar on at all times. They look like they went to the vet.
They have a collar, that white Shepherd mix, the one in the kennel is
In the event that you need to read that over. It smells like gas.
You smell gas?
Like just,
Yeah. Something.
it smells
But
like
if there was a
urine.
gas leak and they both went down, that doesn't make sense why those would be down.
So it's not on, but
I smell
you can
gas.
smell it. Yeah. And don't turn it though. Okay.
I'm gonna start taking pictures.
Okay. I wonder if fire can come check up there. You guys check down here and everything?
Yeah, we went down there. It's just like a game room. One of the storage space area.
It smells like gas or something though.
Excellent. Very appreciated for sure. I don't know how that would have went to hurt on there.
Unless it was like, you know, yeah, I don't.
Because that door was shut, the one that led from the hallway up here to the bathroom is shut.
Yeah, I don't know if there's.
I mean, it doesn't look like anything was stolen.
It doesn't look like they ate anything. It doesn't look like they took anything. I'll have to go look over by her a little bit more, but. But let's just say she was smelling that, you know, and then maybe went to go.
Is it just petroleum gas?
Maybe went to go get ready or go to bed or something, and then. And hers is over here? Over there? Where is she?
It's
That way?
yeah. Yeah. That's Jean's car there.
This one? I don't think they've been.
That was not rough.
Off.